Jeep Wrangler enthusiasts will be cruising in style with their newly installed faux leather custom fit seat covers. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The front set has 6 pieces and offers 2 headrest covers, 2 backrest covers, and 2 bottom seat covers. The rear set has 6 pieces and includes 2 headrest covers, 2 backrest cover sections to accommodate the 60/40 split seats, and 2 seat cover bottom sections. Begin by removing all the headrests. Then, starting with the front bucket seats, stretch the backrest cover over the seats. Pull down firmly for a snug fit. Using the cutouts, tuck the fabric around and under the base of the headrest. Next, secure the driver's side cover around the seat control. Wrap the flaps around the control and use the hook and loop adhesive sides to fasten together. Now, use the butterfly discs provided and insert them through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear of the bucket seat, grab the discs and secure them flat against the back side to lock the cover in place. Next, stretch the bottom covers over the seats. Now push the release buckles through the crevice to the back side. Then secure the driver's side bottom cover around the seat control by fastening the hook and loop straps together. Next, from the front of the seat, grab the buckle straps and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. Make sure to pass the straps over the metal bar that is used to slide the seat back and forth. From the back side of the seat, pull the straps out from under the seat and connect the buckle clips together. Adjust and tighten to secure the covers. For added security, a simple knot can be tied so each strap cannot be pulled loose. Now, unfold the back side of the seat cover and pull it down firmly to secure it in place. Reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. Next, stretch the rear backrest covers over each section of the rear 60/40 split seats. The 60 split side cover must be unzipped, then release the seat forward to wrap the cover around the backrest. Make sure to feed it under the seat belt. Wrap the cover around the backrest. Starting at the top first, fasten the flaps with hook and loop closure under the backrest cover. Then insert the fabric flaps at the bottom of the covers into the crevice of the seat. Now pull the flaps out from the bottom and tuck them underneath the backrest cover. Then use the hook and loop adhesive strips to fasten the cover to the back of the seat. Then zip up the back side to secure the backrest. Release the 40 split side section, locate the preset cutout, and slip the cover over the headrest, pulling firmly downward for a tight fit. Then insert the fabric flaps at the bottom of the covers into the crevice of the seat. From the back side of the rear backrest, pull the flaps out from the bottom and tuck them under the backrest cover. Then use the hook and loop adhesive strips to fasten the cover to the back of the seat. Now zip up the side of the fabric and then pull the flap under the headrest and secure it to the back side with hook and loop closure. Next, slip on each section of the rear bottom seat covers. And insert the buckle straps into the crevice of the seat. From the back side, pull the straps out, release the seats, and stretch the straps underneath the seat bottom. Now, from the front of the seat bottom, pull the straps out and connect all the buckle clips together one by one. Then adjust, tighten, and secure underneath the seat for a secure, snug fit. That's it! Now you are ready to enjoy the full benefits of your Jeep Wrangler with the stylish and practical, newly installed, custom fit faux leather seat covers.